fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining sweet light. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegaded. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. I believe that you're for me. I feel it in our energy. I see us written in the stars. We can go wherever, so let's do it now or never. Baby, nothing's ever too far. Glitter in the sky, glitter in our eyes, shining just the way we are. I feel like we're forever every time we get together, but whatever, let's get lost on Mars. Hey! You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegaded. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm levitating. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. My love is like a rocket with your thoughts off, and I'm feeling so electric, that's my ass off. And even if I wanted to, I can't stop. Yeah, 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 yeah. My love is like a rocket with your thoughts off, and I'm feeling so electric, that's my ass off. And even if I wanted to, I can't stop. Yeah, 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 yeah. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegaded. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. Hey! You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. You can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating. You, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating.
OMG, where does the time go? I cannot believe that you are already 10 years old. Get excited! 10. Oh my gosh, my baby is 10 years old. Man, it seems just like yesterday finding out that you were in my tummy. Blake, baby, you are truly one of the best gifts that God could have ever given me. And you have brought so much joy, laughter, and meaning to our family. We love you so much, Blake. I love you so much. Man, you are just a phenomenal kid. You are a rock star, baby. You so smart. You are so kind and loving and caring. And you know what I love the most about you? Well, one of the many things is you are so serious about your love for God and Jesus. What? You don't play about that. And please never ever change that, baby. Oh my goodness. And so many people, Blake, tell me all the time, Steph, I just really like him. He's such a good kid. And you know what? They are so right. Mommy not only loves you, baby, but I like you. I like you, Blake, a lot because you are so funny. You are absolutely hilarious. You are so funny, you're so kind, and you have the most adorable dimples. You are so handsome, and you're such a good person. You care about other people, you're considerate, and you love your family, and your family loves you. Oh my goodness. What? We think you are just the best thing on this earth, I'm telling you, okay? You know you are like mommy's superhero, and you know that you are absolutely my sunshine. I love you so much, and I want you to have the best 10th birthday ever. I love you, baby. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, son. 10 years old. Edward Blake Wellington, or as I call you, big man. Daddy loves you. I'm so proud of you. You have made me a better father, a better man, and I hope that you enjoy your birthday. Daddy loves you so much, and I hope you enjoy your birthday. Happy birthday, son. I love you.
Happy birthday, Blake. I love you. You're the best little brother anybody could ever ask for, and I hope your day is amazing, just like you.
Okay, now I have the record button pressed. This is my third take. You must be really important, Blake. You know you are, because I would not make a fool out of myself like this for anybody else, okay? So I hope you have a great day. Eat lots of cake, have fun, stay up late. You can stay up as long as you want. Tell your mama and daddy I said that. And here's your birthday. Happy birthday to you, do-do-do. Happy birthday to you, do-do-do. Happy birthday, dear Blake. Happy birthday to you. That could be a record. See you soon. Have fun.
Hi, Blake. This is your grandma, Georgia Williams. I don't know if you know me, but I know you. I've been knowing you ever since you was, 1 day old. Do you know me? Boy, you stop acting crazy, yeah? That's your grandma, and I want to say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Blake. Happy birthday, dear Blake. Happy birthday to you. And Grandma wish you many, many more. And you have a happy birthday. Thank you. Bye.
Hello, Bert. Happy birthday to you, little man. This is Grandpa. Do you know that? I hope you have many more. Save me a piece of that cake. I'll be down there to get it.
You have $2 to lose.
Happy birthday one more time. I will sing to you, but my voice is pretty bad today.
Hey Blake, happy birthday. I'm sorry we couldn't be there this year, but we'll be there next year, and I hope you have a good time wherever you go. Bye.
Happy birthday, Blake. Wishing you peace, happiness, and so many more. I hope you have the best day ever. You deserve it.
Okay, come on, get up. Little girl.
Come on, Cubby, what you want to say?
Happy birthday, Blake. I hope you have a blessed day and a happy birthday. Love you, Blake. Bye.
Did you do yours and Christine? Just happy birthday?
Happy birthday, Blake. And Christine, love you always. Enjoy your day. We miss you. We wish you was here, but you're so far away. But still, love comes 1,000 miles away. Happy birthday, baby.
TJ, did you say happy birthday?
Yes,
Bye. Love you. Happy birthday.
bye. Love you.
You can just thank me.
Happy birthday, Blake. Chunky boy, I can't believe you 10 now, man. I still remember the day I held you, bro. So little, now you so big, be talking and all of that. Got interest and everything, gonna grow up and do big things, man. Happy birthday, love you, can't wait to see you today. You know I got 10 licks for you, man.
Nephew, what's going on, man? Just wanted to say happy birthday, man. You're making me feel old. You're getting big. I miss you, dude. I love you. I think about you all the time, man. Hope you have a great day today. Hope to get up with you soon. Say happy birthday to Blake. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Neff.
Blake, it's your birthday! Happy birthday to you from your best friend. I'm so proud of you. You made the big 1010. Woo! Go, Blake. Enjoy your birthday. Keep shining. You shine like a rock star. Enjoy your day. And I will see you soon. Love you. Happy birthday.
Just want to give a shout out to my nephew, my favorite nephew, Mr. Blake. Hey, man, happy blessed birthday. I love you. I pray that you continue to strive for greatness. Continue to get that form together, man, because next time I come out there, we're going to play 101. I love you and I miss you, man.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Blake. Happy birthday to you. Hey, Blake. Hey, it's been a long time since you've seen Miss Tammy. I miss you so much, buddy, and I hope you have a wonderful birthday. And I plan to see you real soon, and I owe you a lot of spoiling. So get ready for me to spend time with you, Blake. Hope you enjoy your day to the fullest. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Auntie loves you.
Emotionless birthday parties. Boring birthday parties. Boring game trucks. Loveless birthday parties. Average game truck parties are a virus. But gamer versus gamer is the cure.
Gamer versus gamer. We look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their birthday.
These are real Gamer vs. Gamer clients, and they are part of a private birthday social club. Your child could be a part of this exclusive group of kids and receive their own superhero picture, as well as receive invites to members-only contests, movie nights, and more. Their membership is forever immortalized as their favorite superhero image. Your child will socialize and make new friends with other like-minded gamer versus gamer kids throughout Metro Atlanta. Gamer vs. Gamer, Avengers League, Birthday and Social Club.